Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to redeem bottle drop money, right? So how you can get money from bottle drop. So bottle drop is basically this website here. Now to get money you have to check the eligibility, right? So ensure all the bottles and cans you collect are eligible for redemption under your state bottle deposit program, right? Then you have to wash all the bottles and cans and keep them clean and free of residue, right? Now the second thing which you have to get a bottle drop account. So here this is a website. You have to, by the way, you can also do this by downloading their application, and here you'll get this option of login. So if you don't have an account, then first of all you have to create an account here. So let me show you how you can do this. Here you will get an option to create an account, so click on it, and here you can see create account online, and you can also create account at Kisok. And if you haven't signed up, then basically everything is same. First of all you have to click on create account, and here you have to enter all this information here, each and everything, and click on submit application. So then you have to activate. So basically you have to click on activate account. So here you will get an activation code. Here you have to enter that code and click on submit code. Now once you have made your account, basically pick up bottle drop blue bags and account tag from the Kisok, and here fill your bottle drop blue bags with eligible bottles and cans. Do not overfill the bags. Follow the guidelines for the maximum numbers of containers per bags. Attach a bottle drop account to each bag. This tag should be, have a barcode that linked to your account, right? Then what you have to do, so make sure you just follow this information really carefully. Then you have to find a drop location. So locate a drop off location and site typically found at the bottle drop centers or grocery stores or redemption centers. Then deposit of your tag bags in the designation drop off area. Then it will take a few days for your bag to be processed, so you have to wait for some time, and bottle drop staff will count the containers and credit your account. Once processed, the deposit value will credit it to your bottle drop account. You can check your balance online or through bottle drop app, right? So this is how you can get this. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.